March is an exciting month for dietitians and gives them more reason to talk about nutrition and healthy eating. This is because it's Nutrition Month in Canada. And as a registered dietitian, Nutrition Month is an opportunity for me to share my passion surrounding Desi food and inspire enjoyment of nourishing, wholesome foods mindfully so we can feel our healthiest selves. Now, this year's theme for Nutrition Month is more than food. It encourages Canadians to also focus on how they consume their food and not solely on what they eat. Now, this is an important topic, one which carries many positive messages. The theme is also directly linked to Canada's Food Guide, which strongly advocates healthy eating habits alongside a nutrient-dense diet. It also talks in detail about food education, sustainability, and availability. Now, more than food is not just a statement, it's a lifestyle. Sure, food is vital for human sustenance. However, it is so much more. And since there are many positive messages in the theme for Canada's Nutrition Month, in this video, I will be breaking them down into points and discussing in brief detail. How many of us concentrate on chewing food properly? More often than not, we inhale food in front of Netflix or worse, while aimlessly scrolling through Instagram. This certainly isn't mindful eating and can give way to indigestion. Now, healthy digestion and nutrient absorption begin with the simple act of eating with concentration. Now, when food is properly chewed, our bodies release digestive enzymes in the stomach that help in breaking it down, which is then converted into energy. Now, if we don't digest food properly, it can cramp our style and increase risks of heartburn, constipation, gas, bloating, and low energy. In a nutshell, mindful eating enables you to be more attuned to your body's hunger and fullness cues by eating with intention and attention. We must respond to hunger pangs in order to eliminate starvation or binge eating. Similarly, it's important to also draw the line when our stomachs are full, and frequent periods of no eating make room for overeating when we finally eat. Whereas overeating increases our appetite when our stomachs are full. Eat when you're hungry and stop when you're full, a principle that we should try to embrace in order to remain in touch with our bodies. Cooking food puts us in total control of what goes in our bodies. We are in charge of ingredients and the nutritional value we will be getting from such meals. Not only is cooking and meal prepping a great way to unwind, connect with family, it's also a big money and time saver. For example, my Desi licious meal plans are uniquely designed to help busy health seekers on the hunt for easy, delicious recipes. It's nourishing, well-balanced, and meals can be comfortably scheduled around hectic lifestyles. It's a flavorful blend of creative cooking and nourishing ingredients. Food is a significant, if not the most important part of a culture. Different countries and cultures have their own versions of well-balanced diets. For example, there are so many ways to prepare kale aside from steaming or throwing in a salad, which some people from different cultures find boring. Did you know you could whip it into a curry with chickpeas stuffed in a spaghetti squash? It's vegan, gluten-free, and incredibly satisfying. Dinner is a wonderful time to come together as a family and share our day-to-day activities. It's also a lovely strategy for parents to introduce little ones to new foods and recipes. What a way to celebrate food and instill lifelong healthy eating habits. Not only do we ditch our phones or technology for a few hours, but we also get to learn about food, hands-on, make time for family bonding, and appreciate the journey our food's taken to get to our plate. Gratitude brings real joy. Food isn't just about what we eat, it's an art. Healthy eating doesn't have to be boring, bland, flavorless, or dry. It can be a culinary adventure through the experimentation of different recipes. Enjoying wholesome, plant-forward ingredients as close to nature as possible can be a wonderful way to give our well-balanced diets a masaledar kick. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up or leave me a comment. I'd love to know what diet and nutrition related topics you want me to dive into next. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.